I hate that the sun sets so early. It's like 5 o'clock and it's nighttime out. I just want to go to bed. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Sephora Playbox from the month of October. Yes, it's December. Moving on, the theme for the month of October for the Sephora Playbox was Scary Good Beauty. As always, every box comes with a little card for 50 extra beauty insider points if you use it during that month, and then this handy dandy little pamphlet that tells you exactly what you got in your box, why they picked it, and how to use it. And I literally always love the graphic design on these pamphlets. I'm pretty sure I spent like 15 minutes one time on one of these videos talking about it. Like, this is so cute. They've got like a little jigsaw face mask guy down here. It's just so cool. I love these. It seems that they have officially switched over to these kind of more plasticky bags, which I do not hate. I feel like it is a waste of plastic though at this point. Like, just send me the products in the box. I don't need a little baggie. There's just a waste of plastic that I'm gonna throw out. Like, what am I gonna use this for? I don't know. I like it better than the drawstring bags, but again, still not really useful. Also, apologies for the voice. I'm getting over a head cold. I sound like I'm dying, but I'm actually feeling like so much better, but I just sound awful. Sorry, you have to bear with me here. The sample for this month was a little twofer of the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner perfumes. I really do not support Kat Von D or her products or her makeup or anything like that anymore, so I will not be using these. I will probably just throw them away. The first thing that I got is this Urban Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I love this. I'm obsessed with this. I've been using like their old version for like forever, and then this is kind of like their new revamped, repackaged version, and I absolutely love it. It just keeps my makeup on forever, and it's Florida, so it's hot AF, and I'm sweating all day, and this makes me look like I'm not sweating. It does not let my makeup run. It makes me look real good for like hours. Like, I'm talking like 12 to 14 to like a long time. I don't know. I'm not timed to this, but very long time makes my face look good. And the approximate retail value for this little sample size is about $4. Next up is this CAUDALIE, I don't know how to pronounce that, Vinoperfect Radiance Serum. I was very excited about this because, as you guys may or may not remember, I've received several products from this brand in the past in Sephora Playboxes, and they've all contained soy, and I cannot use soy on my face or body or just anywhere I'm allergic to it. This does not have soy in it, but for some reason it made me break out like crazy. Like, I'm talking like middle school, early high school, puberty breakout, like forehead, just like literally everywhere. It was disgusting, and it took like weeks, like at least 2 to 3 weeks to get rid of how crappy my skin looked after using this product. So I would not recommend this. I don't know why my skin had such a bad reaction to it, but literally 2 uses of this and I looked like I was 15. It was terrible. It was awful. Would not recommend. And the worst part about that is I was so excited to use this, and it is a very expensive product. This little sample size is worth about $26.30, so I will be giving it to somebody. Hopefully my mom or my sister will be able to use this and they will not, you know, have a terrible facial reaction to it. My voice is slowly going. It's like, why did you decide to film today? And I wanted to film today, so get over it. Buck up, buddy. Next up is this Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3. I love Benefit Gimme Brow. This is not my shade. It used to be my shade when they just had like the 5 shades, and now they've got like 7 or 10 or something like crazy like that. They've got a lot more shades now, so this is a little bit too light for me. I could still use it if I wanted to, but I would be giving it to my mother because that's her perfect shade, is the 3. My shade now is the 5, which is what I'm wearing. I'm currently wearing the Gimme Brow in shade 5. Highly recommend this. I literally cannot recommend this enough for basically anybody. Especially if you are somebody that does not like to draw on your brows every day, or that has like pretty good natural brows and just needs a little help taming them. This is perfect for that. So I highly recommend these. It's just like a very natural, nice looking brow look. I really like it. I don't know. Highly recommend this. Cannot recommend Gimme Brow enough, and I use it literally every time that I'm putting on makeup. Not every day, because I don't wear makeup every day because that would be crazy. I'm lazy. And this is actually a very good sample size. I want to say it's like half, something like that, or maybe a third. I don't know. It's a very good sample size. It's about $8 worth of sample. Next up, I got the Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. This is by First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty. I love all of their skincare products. I love their coconut cream water. I have it in the primer version, and I have previously used this moisturizer version, and they're just amazing and hydrating and wonderful and beautiful. I think they're very good. I want to say they're cheaper alternatives to the Too Faced Hangover Rescue line, but I am realizing I don't know the price points of either of those, so I could be totally wrong, but I feel like this is a cheaper alternative to the Too Faced line. Also, if you're just not a Too Faced fan and don't want to support them as a company, First Aid Beauty, go for it. And the approximate retail value for this little sample is about $6.80. And then last but not least, I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick in the shade Banana. As you can see, it's a little bit more yellow than my skin tone, but it actually blends out pretty well. Pigment wise, blending wise, it takes forever to blend out. Like, this thing is thick. I don't know how to use this kind of, like, this is just not the kind of foundation that I would normally choose for myself. I live in Florida, so like cake face is not optimal foundation, you know, coverage for anybody here. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, and I definitely do go for that look on occasion, but like for the majority of my life, you go for like a light coverage here in Florida or you will die. So this is like, you just draw this on your face. Like, there is no blending. It's so hard to blend out. I don't understand. But as far as coverage, it is very full coverage, which is nice. It does look good on your skin. It does, you know, like cover up any imperfections. I didn't have to do a lot of concealing. Wow, what is the words? I didn't have to do a lot of like color correcting and concealing with this because it is very full coverage. So I did like that aspect of it. It does look very nice. It does last for a long time. It doesn't oxidize too much. So it is a very good foundation. It's just like the consistency and the stick formula is like not my thing. But if you like full coverage foundations that are very thick and you like the stick thing, this is a very good, you know, brand. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills. I would just probably not repurchase this personally. And the approximate retail value for this product is $5.47. So if you were not keeping track, that brings the approximate retail value of my October Sephora Play Box up to $50.60, which is a very, very good value. The downside is most of that comes from this little Caudale Vino Source thing that I can't use and broke my face out really bad, but other than that, still a very good value. Anyways, apologies for this being so late. I almost didn't do it, and then I was like, no, you guys probably still at least want to see what I thought of the products, even if you don't care that it's like a million years late. So hopefully you guys don't. And thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for listening to this monstrosity that is my voice today. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Definitely check out Sephora Play for yourself if you haven't. I really do like it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel and me, and you know, not leaving when I was gone for like a million years because of grad school. Anyways, again, thank you for watching so much. Definitely check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Eyeleah, EYELEAH, on all of those platforms. I would love to not verbally communicate with you right now, obviously. So thank you guys very much. As always, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a very, very happy holidays.